March 26th, Proving Grounds, Devin Moore, off the list. This past Friday night, Dallas, Texas, Masada couldn't stand a chance. No room barbed wire, off the list. Since August 8th, I am still your reigning 8 months later CZW World Heavyweight Champion. The question is now, what's next? Who's next? There's a lot of contenders in that locker room who want this, but